in our home, in our new home. We're cooking, so we shortly start this vlog, but we want to finish it off and stuff like that. We calling it Cooking with the Hudsons. That's what we finna call this vlog. Cooking with the Hudsons, huh, babe? For what? No, I just want garlic bread. That's all. Garlic toast. Okay. So y'all, we are cooking. We got some pork chops in the oven. We got a little starch going on. But you know, this is what we wanted anyway. So, but we need to do a little grocery shopping anyway. We need to do a little grocery shopping anyway, you guys. Gonna get some more stuff. Get some more, you know, veggies for a side, you know. But right now, y'all, we are doing Cooking with the Hudsons. I wish I had some music and stuff so I could start off and stuff like that. But yeah, we got the mac and cheese. We got the instant rice with the butter. I need to put some more butter in it. And then after that, you guys, we got Anthony over here with the toast and stuff. And then y'all, and we got the pork chops in the oven. They are almost done. They're looking delicious. But y'all, y'all, this is Cooking with the Hudsons. Y'all, did y'all hear our damn thing go off? You said what? I'm gonna get a lot. Yeah, I am. No, I'm not. We ain't gonna have a lot on our plate. We gonna use the small plates, right? Oh, you want the big plate?
You that big plate.
Okay. Y'all heard our dog on one side. Ain't nothing burning. Well, he probably burning his toast, but.
You are.
Let me put y'all there. Put y'all right here on the paper towels. So y'all can see us. Don't worry about that. And don't worry about that. I think I'm gonna get a big plate.
Oh, yeah. I think you should. Yes, I think you should. Yes. Please. I'm encouraging you to get a big plate.
Watch the,
Fuck me up.
yeah, fuck you up. Yeah, we got this.
Just water.
You must be there. Plate on. Whatever we use, we always clean it, so don't get it twisted with the Hudsons. We'll put some of these dishes up too. So, I ain't gonna put this one up, this one wet. Now we put this stuff up. No, I don't like a lot of dishes out, you know. I don't like a lot of stuff out. I like stuff in. Let me hurry up because I got my mac and cheese over here cooking. I don't want to do it. Jesus. Sorry, y'all. Stuff I want to stay in. You know what I'm saying? Let me stir my mac and cheese. Hold on, y'all. Okay. Mac and cheese is almost done. Move this over. You through with this? Babe. You gonna put it up?
Pull up.
This bread. I do it. I'm over here. Got our plates over here. Got the toast. He put cheese on his. I don't know why, but that's him. What else? Oh yeah, we got this little grill thing right here. We got this little grill thing right here, y'all. It's like, it's so awesome. Like, it's really awesome. It's off the chain. And over there, playing the game. And yeah, y'all, it's gonna be a little while for the home tour, for the little apartment tour, because we waiting on stuff. We ordered the couch for the kids. It's gonna be like a pull-out couch thing, but that's something for them to like. It's gonna be good for them, because they can sit in their room. I'm gonna get them a little table and a little lampstand. It's gonna be a little drawer thing. It ain't gonna be like no full wooded table thing. Cause I already know they're gonna mess stuff up. Like, you know, excuse me without wearing around, y'all. I had woke up. I think I should put some more butter in this. Yeah, I think I should because it melted. I put some more butter in this rice, y'all, because it'll melt it. Oh, yeah, I should put extra butter because it's a lot of rice. Yeah, this is instant rice. Yeah, I gotta make sure y'all know how to do the instant rice well. Cause look, don't make it too dry. And don't make it too watery, you know? It gotta be just right. But it does need a little bit more butter. It does need a little bit more butter. So I'm gonna put a little bit more butter in it. And it's just gonna make his toast and he's just gonna go and play the game. It's supposed to be us cooking, but it don't matter because I done started everything already.
You gotta be like that, bro.
Cause you know what to go sit down. That's why. Y'all ain't see me in a dress, huh? This one of my sexy dresses. Don't get it twisted. So we can get it popping. I'm just use the rest of this butter. Cause and I use this butter in the mac and cheese. Yeah, this is good block. I use this in the mac and cheese. Make sure y'all put some milk in y'all mac and cheese. You know, give it a little, you know, good flavor. But y'all know how to cook. I don't need to tell y'all how to cook. Y'all women back there at the house who cook for their man. Y'all help us know how to cook. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when the mac and cheese. I'm gonna get back to y'all when the mac and cheese is done. All right. Peace. Okay, guys. I got my mac and cheese. I'm stirring it up. I'm gonna stir it up, y'all. Got the rice. Put a little bit more butter in it, so and a little bit of water. And the pork chops are done. They're about done. About 2 more minutes on that. And sit y'all right here. Sit y'all down. I don't want y'all to be all in my boobs and stuff. I'm just sit y'all right here. Okay. So yeah, everything's almost done. Stirring up the mac and cheese. It looking so yummy, y'all. Like, oh my god. I put it on low, but it's still, like, I still had the milk to cook with it. It's gonna be so good. And it's just right, just like how mommy makes it. So I got a little milk, got a little chunk of butter and stuff like that. Add a tiny bit of salt and get some, hold on, pepper. Got a pepper. It's probably in my face. I ain't seen it though. No, I really don't see it. Babe, what a pepper? It ain't over here, I just checked. Ain't nothing right there, boo. Yeah, right. Oh, I thought you said something else. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to find some pepper. Like, where our pepper go? Uh-oh, where's the pepper? It's probably over here, I don't know. No, I don't see no pepper. I know we had some pepper. Yeah, my camera is gonna get ready to die. So let me hurry up. I'm gonna get back to y'all in just a second, okay? Y'all. This nigga got the nerve to blame me.
What?
He got to blame me.
What?
He got to blame me and said something about that I misplaced the pepper. I could barely reach up here.
Ain't I caught you short?
Boy, you misplaced the pepper.
Ain't no boy that's a man to you, Bagman.
Yes, baby. I'm sorry. I just needed a little pepper in my mac and cheese. That's it. Like, dang.
You never in your life pepper, no ice.
Yeah, the mac and cheese is done. Everything is done. Everything is done. Cut off this ice. I'm gonna show y'all when I get everything on our plate. Gonna show y'all. Okay, guys, really quick before my camera died. Y'all, this is what it looks like afterwards. Don't it look so good? Oh my god, the mac and cheese look so good, y'all. It looks so good. This is our dinner for tonight. You know, a lot of starch, but still we're gonna drink a lot of water. And it is good, and we're gonna eat, y'all, cause we is hungry. We having 8 cents. It's literally 6 o'clock, and we have not 8 cents. Like, when's the last time we ate, babe? Like 11? About 11 o'clock this morning, like, and it's Sunday, y'all. So, y'all just stay tuned to the Hudson family, ISHE Squad. This is Cooking with the Hudsons, you guys. So, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Babe. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Stay tuned. We love you guys. Stay tuned for the apartment tour. It'll be coming when it can, because, you know, we're waiting on stuff. And we finna eat. Thank y'all for tuning in. We love you guys. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell, like, comment, and share. And don't forget to DM me on Instagram. Comment down below what other videos would y'all like to see. We love you guys so much. Y'all have a great night. Till next time. Peace.